Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. After a very long gap, I am here for you just about a new concept. This is the auditing. So let us discuss about the meaning of auditing. Auditing in its modern concept is a scientific and systematic examination of books, vouchers and other financial and legal records in order to verify and report upon the facts regarding the financial conditions disclosed by the balance sheet and the net income received by the profit and loss account. In simple words, we can say that the auditing is a process which includes the verification and checking up of accounts of a particular company. So the word auditing has been derived from the Latin word audire, which means to hear. So now let us discuss the origin of auditing. The Industrial Revolution gave birth to the joint stock form of organization. Under this form of organization, the shareholders contributed the capital and have no control over the day-to-day working of the organization. The shareholders wanted to know about the financial position of the organization, and therefore arose the need of an independent person who would check the financial position of the company and report to the stakeholders or shareholders on the accuracy of the accounts and safety of their investment. So the system of accounting and auditing could be dated back to Kautilya's Arthashastra, which had the details regarding accounting and auditing of state finances. So it was the Indian Companies Act 1913 who prescribed the qualification of an auditor, the procedure for appointment and his powers and duties. A person cannot be qualified to be an auditor unless he is a chartered accountant within the meaning of Chartered Accountants Act 1949. So here is a particular definition which is given by the Spicer and Pegler. An audit may be said to be such an examination of books, accounts and vouchers of a business as will enable the auditor to satisfy that the balance sheet is properly drawn up so as to give a true and fair view of a state of affairs of the business, and whether the profit and loss account gives a true and fair view of the profit and loss for the financial period according to the best of the information and explanation given to him and as shown by the books, and if not, on what respect he is not satisfied. So as a conclusion, we can say that audit is an independent and systematic examination of books, accounts, records and financial statements and all supporting vouchers and documents of a business or other organization for verifying whether the accounting records truly and properly reflect all the transactions. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.